Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I've been away for a little bit, for a couple of months, and I'm back. And I want us to start 2025, my first video. I want to talk about the Beautylish extra large or lucky bag. There's two sizes, the regular bag and the extra large bag. I always like to get the extra large bag because I just love it. They come with nice surprises. Sometimes I get repeats, but I keep them so I could do giveaways for my followers, for you guys. So here is my box. I opened it just to throw away some packaging, but or some of the wraps of the paper, but I haven't seen anything inside. I'm not sure, like I really don't know what's inside here, and I'm gonna find out with you guys. A lucky bag is they start selling it towards the end of December, and it takes a couple of weeks to be shipped, and it's all surprises, all Beautylish. Usually, like past experiences, I've gotten things from Sonia G, from Wayne Goss, from Good Molecules, lots of really good stuffs, and Dianelys Chile as well. So let's open and start looking. I have been able to do videos for a couple of months, and I've been away and I've missed you guys very, very much. So hopefully I'm able now to make more content. I've been having some issues, which I'm not going to get into right now, but I'm glad to be back. So this is what it looks like inside. It's always packaged really nicely. Every year has its own theme. And I'm gonna open it up to show you the wrap, and then we'll go dig inside the contents. It's all wrapped really nicely. Oh, I see a palette. Ooh, I'm excited already. So let's check out this year's theme. This Lucky Bag 2025. It's You're One Lucky Duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. How pretty. I've kept the past few years, and I'm going to keep this as well. Look how pretty that beautiful art. It's like my package is coming in a balloon, and it finally arrived to me. Very pretty. I don't know the total value of the package, but I'm going to find the value of each item, retail value, and add them up and show you at the end, or put it in a screen somewhere. I'll show you how much each item costs and what the total cost is, or the total value of the box. I don't remember the prices. It's been such a long time since I filmed that I forgot to do my research, but I want to say it's $125, but I'm not really 100% sure. I'm gonna get all the prices and everything and put it in the screen. It is sold out. They sell out really fast, but this way you have an idea of what to expect the following year. All right, let's just take out the first thing that's coming out of this package. Is from Minu. I don't know this brand, which is exciting because I like to try new brands. This is a brightening sunscreen, Merrell's broad spectrum SPF 30 gel cream. So it's a brightening sunscreen, so that's nice. Let's take a look. Here's the packaging. I like it. Minimalistic. It's a lightweight and clean feeling gel cream, vanishes on all skin tones for a lift from within glow. The mineral rich formula provides superior broad spectrum UVA, UVB, PA, infrared, blue light, and environmental protection. Let's give it a try in the back of the hand. Do you have to shake? Yeah, you're supposed to shake. Let's give it a swirl. There's no fragrance. Has a slight hint, but it is glowing. Yeah, that's pretty. Doesn't really have a tint. It does at first, but then it just melts with your skin. I like it. Really nice. So that's a win for now, as of now. All right, this palette from Viseart. Oh my god, I love Viseart. Viseart Paris palette, 35 shade professional makeup palette. I think Viseart, it's one of the best eyeshadow formulas in my opinion. Oh, this is so beautiful. I wasn't expecting such a big palette. Look how pretty. I have some eyeshadows from them and they're lovely, but I don't have this palette, which is great. This is like a makeup artist's dream. You have all the shades right here, and I believe you could, yeah, you could remove them and rearrange them in whatever way you want. Oh, this is great. I think if my memory doesn't deceive me, just with this palette, it's probably just like the value of the cost of the whole Lucky Bag, which is great. This is amazing. Another win. All right, let's keep on going. Oh, this is from Kitsch. I love Kitsch. I've been using a lot of their things, like this bow I have in today. Let me turn around so you can see it. This bow I have on today is from Kitsch, that I get from Beautylish. I think that's how you pronounce it, Kitsch. This is a recycled plastic claw clip. Ooh. I like it. It's a pretty color too. Probably use it. I don't have that much hair to put this like half my hair, but I could pick it up in like a bun and then pick it up with this holder with this clip. Very nice. Oh, another thing that I think I have this already, so I might just give this away. This is from Auric, the Smoke Reflect Entice. This is an eyeshadow, and then the top is like the shimmer, and then in the bottom it's like a cream shadow, and it's beautiful coppery green. Let me see if I have it. If I have it in my collection, I would swirl. I'll test that one. I'll show you. I'll swatch it, and then this one I'll keep intact for a giveaway or a gift to a friend. Yes, I have Entice, but they changed the lid, the cover. So here it is. Let me give it a swirl. So it's more like an olive green, and then here's the shimmer. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. So yeah, I already have it. Good. Put it aside. Let's go into the next item. This is a big one from Oribe. Is that how you pronounce it? Oribe. The Run Through Detangling Shampoo. I do like their products. A couple of things I tried for them, which has been a shampoo and also a dry shampoo, and it's been really nice. And they have a really nice fragrance. Beautiful bottle. This is, it just has lather, indulge, and rinse. The Run Through Detangling Shampoo. I don't really get knots, but it's alright. Yes, it smells very good. It's not too fragrant. It just smells fresh and sweet. Yeah, it smells really good. Love it. This is another pricey item. Very nice. Let's see. Oh, from Good Molecules. The Pimple Patches Ultra Thin Hydrocolloid Patches to remove impurities and immediately conceal blemishes. I'm not acne prone. I have been getting some rashes here under my eyes. I think it's stress related, not necessarily acne, but this is really good if you are prone to that. I'm going to keep it to, I'm going to pay it forward. I'm going to give it to somebody else, but this is something nice to have. I do like Good Molecules. I have a few other items and they're nice. Okay, another palette. Could this be? This is from Jouer. It's a blush bouquet. Oh, very nice. Jouer. I don't think of anything from this brand. I've heard from them, but I've never picked up anything. It's pretty. That's a pretty package. Let's open this up. Oh, it's very pretty. And here's the blush. Oh, I'm liking this shade. I'm not really into pink blushes, but this one's really pretty. Let's give it a swirl. It's really soft. Oh, their names are Violette is the purpley one, a pinkish one, and the other one is called Clementine. Very pretty, and it's pretty pigmented as well. Okay, there's two more items. One is from Charlotte Tilbury, the Collagen Lip Bath, a collagen enhanced lip plumping effect in the shade Pillow Talk Deep. Oh yeah, it's pretty dark. I'm not really into dark browns, but let's give it a swatch. And yeah, it smells really nice, and it has like that heart-shaped applicator. And I have something on, but I could give it a try. Let's take this off. I thought it was gonna be like really dark brown, but it's a gloss, so it shouldn't be that dark. I feel a little plumping, but it's not uncomfortable at all. It's not sticky. It feels nice. Yeah, I feel a little bit more. It's not tingling, but I do feel a slight effect. Not too much. Nice. I like that color. It's pretty pretty. Alright, and the last item is a brush from Sonia G, which is always a nice surprise. I already have this brush, but I don't mind having backups because I do love her brushes. This is a pencil S. This is perfect for the small spaces and like the waterline and eyeliner area. Very nice. And yeah, that's all I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, the XL version. I am surprised and impressed because I've received items from brands that I've never received items before. I don't think I think I have received Viseart, but like the small little quads, and I got a big palette, which is very nice. I've never received anything from Jouer, so that's nice as well. And this brand, I'm gonna try it out. Ninu, never heard of it, which is great, so that was exciting. And the only thing duplicate is that I've received before is from Auric, which I want to pass forward. And I did not know, I just realized I did not know Beautylish carried this brand, so that's nice. And this I won't use, so I'm gonna send it forward. But overall, I am really happy with what I got. I am curious. I haven't seen any other Beautylish Lucky Bags unboxings or unbagging, because I want it to be a total surprise for myself. Now I'm curious to know what everyone else got. Let me know if you purchased the Lucky Bag before, even this year's. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you got any of the items that I got, or what items did you get that you were really happy and surprised about. And you've never got this bag before, I hope this video helps you decide or give you an idea what to expect. In the description box down below, I'm gonna leave links of the past year's Lucky Bags, so you guys have an idea of what I've been getting in the past years. I've been getting the Lucky Bag for like 3 or 4 years, or even more. I don't remember how many exactly, but for a few years. I'm gonna find the items, get their retail value, put them in the screen, and at the end I'm gonna add it up and see if it's worth it. I think it's worth it, but maybe you don't think it's worth it. But looking at the total value of the items maybe helps you decide if it's worth it or not. Because again, if there's something that you don't like or you don't use, you could always keep it as a gift for somebody else, which is great. So this is my video for today, the first video of 2025. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.